Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitars, a very cool song, Muse, Cryogen. Is this your typical guitar song? No. Is this a typical guitar channel? I guess not. So, welcome to Growing Guitar. Now, before we go into this very cool song, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Okay, the reason for that name is because we play older songs up till present time, like cover all the classics up till this point in time, and we're gonna play them from A to Z, from the beginning till the very end. I show you the chords, you can just play along and follow, learn a full song. Now, subscribe to that channel and help me out there. This is my newborn, and I need your support to grow that channel as well. So thank you so much. Now let's focus on Cryogen. Cool song. Capo on second, absolute best scenario in my opinion. Let's go through the chords. A minor first. So that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord E. Exact same grip as A minor, just move one string up. So that gives us open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have F next, which is the bar chord. So place the index finger as a bar on the first fret, push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Then we have the G B. So that goes second A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Next is C. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the D minor as well. Open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the final chord is G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so the main part starts with the intro and the verse play, and it's even in the chorus, and it goes like this. So straight downs only, you're gonna play A minor 4 times, short pause, and then you switch to E and play 3 downs. And then immediately go to F and play 4 downs, short pause, and then go to back to E and play 3 downs. And that's one round. So A minor 4, E3, F4, and E3. So that's one round. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that in the first verse, and that takes us to the pre-chorus. Emptiness, that's the first word in that pre-chorus. Starts about 51 seconds in. You're gonna play just straight downs, F 16 times, 16, yes, and then A minor 8, and then E 8. So you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is a pre-chorus. Then into the chorus, and Cryogen, that's the first word there, 1 minute and 5 seconds in. Very cool song again. And yeah, we're gonna play that verse play to start with for 2 rounds. So and then the final round, you're gonna play A minor 4, then the G B 4, C 4, F 4, D minor 8, and E 8. So A minor, G, B, C, F, D minor 8, and E 8. And that ends the chorus. And then we have the post-chorus part right after, and you're gonna play that chorus again. So 2 rounds of that, A minor, E minor, F, E minor. 2 rounds of that, and then you're gonna play again that final A minor, G, B, C, F, D minor, E. So just repeat that chorus in the post-chorus part, and that is the first round, guys, okay? Second round, you're just gonna repeat everything, verse play, and pre-chorus, and even the chorus in the same way. After that comes the bridge part, about 2 minutes and 18 seconds in, after the second chorus. And what are you gonna play now is a D minor, just straight downs, D minor 8, E8, A minor 8, and G8, then D minor 8, E8, A minor 16, then again D minor 8, E minor 8, sorry, A minor 8, and G8, then F16, A minor 8, and E8. Again, F16, A minor 8, and E8. Yes, so I think it works while I'm playing to speak. I think you got it there. That's a bridge part, and then you're gonna jump back into the chorus, and you're gonna play chorus number 3. Sorry, first pre-chorus number 3 in the same way as the previous choruses. So no changes there. And then comes chorus number 3, chorus number 4, chorus number 5. All of them are played in the exact same way. And then we're gonna end with the outro. It starts about 3 minutes and 56 seconds in. And I'm not really, I haven't practiced it at all actually. So it goes like that. That's a melody. I suggest you hold a A minor as D 2nd fret and G 2nd fret. You don't have to hold the 1st fret B string because you're going to play the bass strings. That is a good supportive background to the melody we're going to play. And the melody goes 2 times on the open A, the 3rd E, and open A, and 1st E, sorry, 1st A. So that is the melody, 2 times on the open A, 3rd E, open A, and 1st A. You play that for 3 rounds, so. And then comes the melody on the 1st fret E string 2 times, the 1st fret D string, and open E string the bass 2 times. And then repeat that again, 3 times on the could have had some more practice to that. That is the ending. You don't have to focus too much on that. Muse, Cryogen, so cool song. So give it a shot. Capo on 2nd, absolute best scenario. If you don't have any capo, skip that. Follow the same chords and rules, and you will sound even darker. Cool. All right. So hope you enjoyed that. Again, Growing Guitar 6 strings ago. That is the channel next that you need to go and search up and subscribe and be a member of. So thank you for support, guys. Until next time. Play tuned.